Thank you so much for watching these videos. My name is Kamia Simon Peter. Let's proceed. All right, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, become a Patreon support. Now visit our Patreon channel because there are some great videos there for you with the full stack application in VueNative. Okay, so if you feel these videos have worked for you, because here we're going to only create a forum like application, then the e-commerce application will work for you definitely. All right, let's proceed. So recently, okay, we can delete an item, okay, from our array. But then if I refresh again by pressing R 2 times, okay, so I'm reloading. If I press, let's say, item number 4, even item number 3 disappears. So in this video, I want to show now how do you delete one item, okay, which is going to be simple. So I'll do a double R. I press R twice, much as I'm calling it a double R. Okay, so it is refreshing there. So what you have to do here is pop. So you are popping out an item in the index. So let me save. Okay, it's refreshing already here. All right, so let's go ahead and test and see. So when I click, I can remove 3, 4. All right, let's refresh and see now again still. When I click and I click on 4, it has taken away 3. And it's telling us something wrong, that index 4 is the one that has been deleted, you know, item 4. So, which means still we're not yet there. So this time around, what I want to show you, when you use Splice, okay, this is what you do. You indicate the item that you want to remove, okay, or the start, where the splice should start, and then you also indicate the amount or the value. In this case, I'm going to put 1. All right, so I'm going to do RR, click, then look at this time around when I click 4. All right. Is it? Oh, it's supposed to be splice, not slice, sorry. Okay. When I click 4, 4 has been deleted, it's 3. When I click 1, you're going to see 3 is going to become index 0. So when I click 1, 3 is now index 0. And you can see that's how it works. All right, so one other thing I want to talk about is, do not interchange this. As you brought in here index and then C, even here you should start with index and then C. Let me interchange. Let's say I call this C, okay, and then do a comma and then I choose index. Let me refresh. In most cases you get errors. I'll do RR. So let's say you choose 4, okay, you can see it has interchanged them. I clicked 4 instead, 4 went, and then it deleted 1. You get it? So which means the variables you receive here, you're supposed to pass them the same way down here. All right, so one other thing I want to try is, what if I splice and I splice 0, what do I get? Okay, so I'll click 4. All right, you can see I'm clicking, but nothing has been deleted. So let me do RR. So this time around I splice, but then I do 2. All right, so let me save. So when I click on 4, 2 of them disappear. Okay? So again, I'll do RR. This time around, I click on 1. You see 4 has disappeared too. All right, so that's very important to note. Okay. And instead of index, again, let me choose C. Okay. Let me do RR. I've put it to 1. So let's see what are we picking. I'll click 4. Again, you can see that.
Hi, I'm briefly interrupting these videos to let you know of a list of videos that will help you create a working prototype to let you come from basics to intermediate. That will be followed by another list of videos that will help you work on a full e-commerce application. Please click the link in the description to go and watch those videos and support this channel. Thank you. Let's proceed.
So the index has not changed, but what it has done, it has removed out that item in the array because this would have been 2, okay? And then it was considering the ID than the index of the array. So what do you want to delete? That's all up to you. So that's why indicating indexes, okay, the index and the ID of the property is very important. Okay, so you can see this is 0, 1, but if I change this back to index, okay, and I delete the same property 4, okay, so I'll do RR to refresh my bundler, and I delete the same property 4 disappears, but the index here, okay, you can see it is 0, 1, okay, it has kept the index count, but then the item has disappeared. So 4 has disappeared, but the array has been rearranged, okay? If I remove antenatal, you can see the array now has rearranged this to 0 and 1, okay? Yet, when I use C, okay, I'll do RR. So C meaning I'm picking the ID, okay? So I'll do C.ID, which is also something different. And I click. When I click antenatal, nothing is changing. You get it, eh? Because it's looking into the array, okay? So I'll do C. I click. So when I remove, instead, antenatal is going to shift here to postnatal, okay, and retain the item of 0. You get it? Instead, it has removed prenatal. So this is very important for you to be considering the index, okay, rather than the array ID. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also become a Patreon. I encourage you to watch the videos that are on my Patreon channel because I will be completing a full e-commerce application.